Good Monday afternoon, 4:09 on this Monday. Look at those winds there from our Dakota Magic Casino Skycam. The camera itself is shaking and those flags are flying there in the Hankinson area and really windy across the entire area today. Look at these. This was the maximum wind gust we've gotten so far today. I say so far because we still could get some more gusts later on this evening, but a gust of 45 miles per hour today in Jamestown, 43 miles per hour in Carrington as the two windiest spots in the gust category for our Monday. Still seeing gusts even in Minnesota, 20 to 30 miles per hour through this afternoon and into this evening. Fargo seeing a wind gust today of 31 miles per hour. So it was definitely a tough day if you had any of those outdoor plans with those gusty winds. But look at these temperatures. Baudette, 56 degrees, the coolest spot right now. And that cool air does leak further south into central Minnesota as well. Mid-60s in Wadena when we're seeing those low 70s up and down the valley. Even some, I wouldn't be surprised if we saw some low 80s on some backyard thermometers just across the South Dakota state line. So quite a large difference in that temperature this afternoon. We do have plenty of sunshine in the Devils Lake Basin through Jamestown. Still a few clouds hanging on in Minnesota. These were the clouds that actually brought some spits of rain to the metro earlier this afternoon, but you can notice that has really pushed its way off to the east very quickly. One thing we are watching is the tropics, and now we are approaching the end of the hurricane season in another month and a half or so. But we've got two storms right next to each other that are named. Gamma is weakening and it will not be too much of a concern for us, but Delta is organized, is now a tropical storm, and it's actually expected to strengthen as it moves through the Gulf of Mexico through the remainder of this business week. And look at this, as it moves closer and closer to, as it strengthens in the Gulf of Mexico, it will move closer to, say, Louisiana and perhaps even Mississippi there in the later part of this week, and it could be strengthening to a Category 2 by that time as it makes possible landfall there later on this week. So that's one thing we will be watching is the tropics for our friends there in the Gulf of Mexico. But closer to home, here's how things look. Those northwest winds tonight will calm down. That's the good news if you do want to step outside later on this evening. Temperatures in those 50s, so a cool night, but it will be a bit more calm in the wind department for us later on this evening. Now, here's 7:30 a.m. Seeing a few clouds passing through in the overnight hours. Could be a few spotty rain showers under these clouds in the morning hours tomorrow. Temperatures to start off our Tuesday in the 40s and 50s. Look at the winds. The winds will be shifting to more of a westerly direction by the lunchtime hour tomorrow. We see some 50s and 60s there by lunchtime and still some lingering clouds or even a few showers in Minnesota there by lunchtime. Now the winds will shift to a northwesterly direction as we head toward 5 o'clock on our Tuesday, and that will be breezy again tomorrow with those northwest winds. I expect temperatures to warm nicely into the 60s and 70s, so kind of like what we saw today with 60s and 70s across the board, but a few passing clouds still possible there in the afternoon, evening. May still see a few lingering raindrops up toward the north, but really after those showers exit in the morning, things will be pretty quiet for us for the remainder of the day on Tuesday, besides that breezy northwest wind for our Tuesday. Here's how things look on that hometown forecast. Coolest air will be under those clouds in Minnesota, looking at mid-60s for highs then in Minnesota, but for many of us along the I-94 and points south in the Southern Valley, looking at 70s for our Tuesday. Look at our photo of the day, a beautiful lighthouse on the northern shore of Lake Superior with those beautiful fall colors in the trees there. Thanks so much, Amy, for uploading this beautiful photo to our website, valleynewslive.com. We've gotten so many awesome fall colors. I love just sitting here and just clicking through them because they're all fantastic. So Wednesday will be a bit cooler. Breezy again Wednesday, temperatures in the low 60s with some areas in the mid 50s for highs on Wednesday. Then as we of course go into the rest of that the 7-day planner, we will see that temperatures will warm nicely into the end of the business week. And let me hit the space bar on this to advance this the old-fashioned way. We'll see, there we go. There's those temperatures warming, Callie. You can see those 70s there by Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Expecting 70s for those days as well, but we could see a spotty shower on Sunday. And then for Columbus Day also, Callie, could be some rain on Monday of next week.
Love those temperatures this week.
Me too.
Thanks so much, Nathan.